Subscribe to Rock and Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about Maybelline Master Prime Blur Plus Redness Control Primer. So as you guys know that this primer previously launched on outside of India. Now it launched on Indian market a few months ago. As I didn't see that much of Indian reviews of this product on YouTube. I mean there are some options, but most of them are from foreign countries, and
Sometimes product quality may vary country-wise.
so that's why I thought to try this out and thought to share my opinion with you guys. So that's why I'm here today, and so without many blah blah blah, let's jump into the review.
It comes in two different packaging, but as per my knowledge, both are the genuine product.
So this is the packaging looks like which I received. In the back they mention the ingredients and applications and all, and it retails 650 rupees for 30 ml of product, but you can easily avail 20 to 25% off on it, and the shelf life of this product is around 3 years, but when you open it you have to finish it within 12 months. This primer claims that it controls dark plus redness. So let's see, is it true or not? So let's see how the product looks like. There is a seal. I have to open that. This is kind of normal squeezy bottle. This the product looks like. The color of the product is kind of very light green. Let's see how the formulation is. So I'll start applying it on my problematic areas first. You see some redness here. Let's see, can be able to hide or not. So this is the final look of the primer. This is super duper hydrating primer, and this is very lightweight and non-oily primer. But if we talk about the redness control, I'm not fully satisfied with that because my redness is still visible. But yes, it lighten up those redness, and guys, don't think that this primer works as a color corrector. Now let's see how it works under my foundation. I'm gonna use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. So this is the final look. One thing I would like to mention that this is not kind of silicone primer. It has creamy texture, so if anyone of you want to skip that kind of silicone primers, this primer is ideal for you. But guys, don't think that this primer works as a color corrector. And I have a lot of plan. I have to go to shopping, then lunch. Lunch then shopping. So let's see how long this primer stay on my face. I'll be back soon, guys. So guys, that is how am I look before going to my day out, and it's around 11:30. So let's see. So guys, I'm back, and as you can see, my lipstick is already gone, and I'm so tired. Oh god. Okay guys, so right now I feel something oiliness on this portion of my face. You see the shiny effect, but I think rest are the same, like here. And it's around 5:42. So I think this primer stay on my face more than 6 hours. So that's why from my side it's a big thumbs up. So guys, that's all for today. I'll give the product link into the description, and guys, if I forget to mention anything regarding this product, let me know in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, if this video is helpful to you, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Till then, tata, bye.